Good morning. So our next question is, in a given figure, ABCD is a triangle of dimension 21 centimeter into 14 centimeter. A semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area and perimeter of shaded region in the figure. So basically, what do we have to in this question? We have to find out the shaded region in this rectangle. But in this rectangle, we have a semicircle. So we to find out the area of this rectangle, we need to find the area of rectangle, and then we have to subtract the area of semicircle. And as we know, the semicircle is half of the circle, then its area will be half of its area. So area of circle is pi r square, then the area of semicircle will be pi by 2 r square. And area of rectangle we know is L into B. So L is 21 and B is 14 minus pi by 2, R is 7 into 7. So we get 217 centimeters square. Then we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. What is a perimeter? As we know, perimeter is the boundary of any shape. So AB is 21, AD is 14, and DC is 21. So 21 plus 21 plus 14 plus this arc. So the formula of arc of perimeter of an arc is pi r. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7. So then the answer is 56 plus 22, which is 78. So we get the answer here. Thank you.